If you've been struggling to find clients for your high-level agency or your SaaS, and the thought of getting on a sales call is absolutely repulsive to you, then you found the right person to watch. My name is Dom, and I've gotten over 100 people onto my white label of HighLevel, and this video is going to show you the exact process and framework that allowed me to do it without hopping on a single sales call. We're going to talk about why getting on sales calls might not be the best method for finding customers, how my method will actually scale easier and faster than hiring a sales team, and how you can get started right after the video ends, so make sure you stick around. Now, if you're getting started with HighLevel, I'm sure that cold calling and cold emailing were the first two methods that were recommended to you as a beginner to go out and get your first couple of customers. Now, I'm not here to say that they don't work, because they do. However, in order to get results with cold calls and cold emails, it takes a certain amount of skill that most beginners just don't have. And that's because over the past 4 years or so, hundreds of thousands, even millions of small businesses all across America have been getting dozens of calls and emails with white label HighLevel sellers trying to sell them all the exact same thing. Chances are you're gonna sound exactly like the 10 other calls and emails they got this week, and in order to stand out, you're going to have a certain amount of skill. Now, let's assume you grit your teeth and you put the work in and you get good at cold calling and you get good at cold emailing small businesses, and you start to fill up your calendar with sales appointments. What's gonna happen is that these sales appointments and the process of setting them is gonna start to take up about 80% of your day. It's gonna be the cap where you can't grow any further. And if you're going to wanna grow, you're gonna have to remove yourself from the sales process, which means recruit, hire, and train other humans to do the selling for you. And I'm gonna go on a limb and assume that most people who watch this video want something that's a little bit more simplistic and doesn't require as much time. Now, what if I told you it was possible to have hundreds of salespeople working 24/7 without taking a break, needing zero input from management, and taking a 0% commission on their sales? You'd probably call me crazy, right? Now, what if I told you that the video that you're watching right now is one of those salespeople? You see, by creating relevant content for my ideal customers on YouTube, I'm able to make that first point of contact without ever picking up the phone. And because of YouTube's suggested algorithm, as well as the search feature, every time my videos pop up in front of a viewer, there's a good chance that my video is relevant to what the user is looking for. And that buys me about 2 minutes for the viewer to determine whether or not they want to watch the whole video or click on to the next one. Think of it like taking a virtual cold call. Every time you call a business, when the person picks up, you have about 30 seconds while that listener is going to determine whether or not they want to hear the rest of your pitch. Same thing when somebody clicks on one of my videos. In the first 30 or so seconds, they're going to determine whether or not I can help them in the form of a video, much like when you make your introduction on a cold call, the person answering the phone is determining, am I going to listen to this person or not? And if I can build the value inside those first 2 minutes, the person watching the video is going to be much more receptive to the offers at the end of the video. Now, that doesn't mean that you should be selling your SaaS or your agency services directly on your video, but instead use your YouTube videos to generate email leads. Now, one of my favorite ways of generating leads on YouTube is by offering a free course. This free course is going to outline a solution to the viewer's problem in a step-by-step format. I like this because it's a very low-pressure way of getting somebody's contact information, because it tips the value equation so far in the viewer's favor. You're offering a step-by-step solution to their problem, and all it's costing them is their email address. Here's how it works. So the first thing that we're gonna do is we're gonna create our public YouTube videos that highlight the viewer's problem. And then inside the video, offer a link to a free course outlining a step-by-step, really tactical solution. We go from YouTube into the free course. This free course is gonna generate a ton of leads. Now, once they're inside the course, this is gonna show them, again, tactically, step-by-step, how they are going to solve their problem. And if you've done it right, you're gonna position yourself as the only solution to their problem. Either your framework or your agency services or your SaaS is going to be pivotal in solving their problem. So basically, in a way, your free course becomes your closer. So they go through your free course, they see how they're gonna solve their problem, they're gonna see how you can help get them more business, more leads, more Google reviews, and again, you're gonna position your agency services or your SaaS as the solution to their problems inside the free course. From there, two things are gonna happen. You're gonna get a fair amount of people who decide the course is enough, and they just go ahead and they buy and they give you money, they start a trial, they start creating an account. That's gonna happen on its own. The other type of thing that can happen is you're gonna get people who are going to inquire with questions. They might want to hop on a call but it's not so much a sales call in the way that, hey, why should I listen to you? They're gonna have really specific pointed questions, and if you can answer them correctly, it's gonna be some of the easiest sales that you've ever made in your life, because they've already watched your content, they've gone through your course, understand what you're gonna do, they just might need some quick clarification, and if you can provide that clarification over a quick chat, then they're just gonna go ahead, jump in, and then they're also gonna go ahead and give you money. The initial content that you made on YouTube made them feel seen and understood, and then the free course is what provided the deeper solution. Essentially what happened was that your YouTube video acted as your setter, and your free course acted as your closer. And the best part about this entire process is that you don't have to be a particularly good salesperson to make sales using the system. As long as you show that you know what you're doing through your content and through your course, people are going to begin to implicitly trust you just because they're soaking in your content and what you're saying over here makes sense. And if they're getting value from these two sections, they're gonna start to react positively when you start to ask them to create an account, or if they wanted to hop on a call just to kind of make sure that this is the right thing for them. All of the selling is done here by virtue of you just knowing what you're talking about and then showing them the answer without asking for any money first. As you can see, this sales method can scale infinitely faster than a sales team could, because once you create your free course once, you can deliver it over and over and over again for zero cost, and it only takes one YouTube video to start generating leads and closing sales. Not to mention, if one of your YouTube videos does pop and does 100,000 views, you can handle the volume because there's no bottleneck on the sales calendar, because you simply don't have enough humans to handle the volume. You'll always be able to handle as many leads and as many sales as the YouTube can throw your way. And the best part of this is that over time, your YouTube videos will start to compound on each other. One video that you make today could bring you leads and sales for years to come. In fact, I have videos that I made 2 years ago that are still generating leads and sales today. I can't think of any other lead gen method that has that kind of power. And now, while this does scale a lot leaner than having a sales team, you can't remove yourself completely from the video creation process like you can removing yourself from a sales team entirely. Somebody has to be there to actually film the video, but you can outsource your editing and your onboarding process, so all you have to do is sit there and film. Everything else takes care of itself. Once you get to that point though, it only takes about 2 hours to write and film a video. So one video a week is 2 to 4 hours a week to drive all of the leads and sales in your entire agency. That's a fair trade if you ask me. Now, to start doing this and putting this in action, there's gonna be 3 things that you need to figure out before you start. So don't do anything until you've got these 3 things settled, because if you don't, you're gonna have a hard time later on. So number 1, you have to have a clear definition of the outcome or the result you want to deliver. Without having a clear outcome or a result that you're gonna deliver to your viewer or your client, everything is gonna get a lot harder. It's gonna be harder to come up with video topics. It's gonna be harder to come up with a free course idea. It's just gonna be harder all around. So pick something that you really understand and really know how to do inside of HighLevel. This could be something like getting more sales appointments, getting more Google reviews, getting more leads from social media using their comment to DM feature. Whatever it is, find an outcome that is valuable to small businesses, and then make sure that you can deliver that using HighLevel. Then what I want you to do is come up with a simple step-by-step process to deliver that outcome. For instance, if you were delivering the result of leads from social media using HighLevel's comment to DM feature, the step-by-step process that you would outline for yourself would be log into Facebook, hook up Instagram to Facebook, how to build a workflow, showing people how it responds to comments, and then showing people how to make simple content to get people to comment the word. So draw it out in a Word document step by step, how you're gonna achieve the result, and that's gonna be the basis of your free course. And then the final thing that you're gonna need before you get started is good audio. Because as you can see, it's a pretty jarring difference if you don't use the mic. I took off my mic, I'm now just filming with my phone, and the audio quality is probably terrible. And what I'll do is I'll actually just leave a link down in the description to the DJI that I'm using in this video. And the reason why I say good audio is because even though I've switched to shooting on my cell phone, a video of this quality you would still watch, and a lot of people would still watch because I've kept the same microphone. In my past 5 years of creating content, I've noticed that audio quality is probably the #1 indicator of whether somebody stays or not. If I have a video that has bad audio, it generally has awful views. But if I have something that I can shoot with my phone and have my good mic, I can get just as much watch time as if I'm using my good camera. And the mic that I'm using right now is the DJI Mic Mini. It's about 90 bucks. And this is probably the best audio for $1 of all of the microphones that I've bought over the past 5 years. Because it's only 90 bucks, it's very affordable for just about anybody. You're not spending $300, $400 on a microphone, $200 like my Shure that I use on my desk shots, right? It's just really, really easy. It's simple and it's super, super small. So again, you don't have to have a nice camera to get started. All it takes is your phone. I'm proving it right now, but I would invest in getting a good mic if you're gonna get started. Once you have those 3 things in place, you're now ready to start creating YouTube videos highlighting the problems that your ideal customers face. Now, let me say that there's no reason for you to get fancy with any of your video titles because search is where you're gonna get a lot of your early views. Think of really simple titles like how to get more sales appointments, how to get more leads from social media, or how to get more Google reviews. Use these simple titles and make these simple videos either on a whiteboard or inside of HighLevel outlining the process. There's really no need to overcomplicate it. Just get comfortable finding topics, writing scripts, and getting comfortable talking to the camera for the first 10 videos. If you can do that, you're well on your way. If you've enjoyed this video, make sure to give it a thumbs up. And again, I've left a free course down in the description showing you how to get your own white label, high-level agency up and running. And I've put videos up here in the corners for you to go deeper on this channel. So I'll see you in one of these videos.